Hello guys, this is Banjo YT here, and today we're going to be doing our first science video on this channel. And this is going to be called How Does Pressure Affect an Object? So yeah, let's begin this video. As you see here, I've had my data. This is going to be my first party of data, and of course this video will be my other source of data. So yeah, let's just get this started. So the first thing that we are going to do is that we're going to get out one marshmallow, as you see, and we are going to be drawing a target on it. So let's just get straight into that now. As you see here, it's a target being drawn around it. It's actually pretty hard to do this. Okay, then we're gonna do another one. Oh man, this looks so horrible, but there's my target. So yeah, I hope that'll work out. So yeah, I'm just gonna hold on, waste this what to do. And I'm just gonna write down my first step. I'm gonna do one, I drew a target on the marshmallow. You have to mark down your every step. On the marshmallow. And I'm gonna make a line across there, like that. Okay. Now let's get the red marker out of the way and let's put this back in the bag so that I can return this to my school on Monday. And now we have the cup that we're going to put the house with the target in. So yeah, and I just have another marshmallow just in case that I failed this one. Okay, so the next one we are gonna do is that we're going to take out a piece of this clay, or even more. So let's just get some scissors. Here's the scissors at. Oh, here's the scissors. Okay, let's do this. We're gonna cut it like that. If you can, it's gonna be hard to open. Huh. Uh-oh. Okay, we got it open. So let's write that down. That I opened the clay. Let's just stop the line right there so that we can just be right there. And yeah, let's just take the clay out. Whoa. Uh-oh, this is gonna be hard. Okay. Whew. Dang. Can we take a piece of the clay out? If we can, I'll be happy. Huh. Oh, I guess I'm gonna have to take the whole thing out. Okay. This is harder than I thought. And there we go. So let's just try to break this clay apart. Let's just mush it on the cup like that. Okay. Oh man. Okay, we've got this side done. Okay. And right now the marshmallow fits just fine. If it doesn't fit fine, then we'll have to take the whole thing out again. And yeah, be horrible. Okay, so luckily it is moving around. It's nearly hitting the clay. And yep, I made one mistake with the clay. So we're gonna have to move it a little bit. Actually, I think that is good. So let's get our mirror. I'm doing all this by myself, guys, so that it'll be legit. I'm not doing it with my parents. Okay, so the target will be there. You can see it. Okay, now we're going to put the straw in. Okay, let's wanna look right there to see if the straw is in. Oh, it's not in. Okay. Gonna have to dig a hole in with our finger or something. Okay, I'm trying to put this in, guys. Okay, we're gonna have to take this clay out. Darn it. Okay, I got it like that. Let's go mush this clay up farther. Okay. Okay, we got that issue fixed. Now, let's put something like this on. And after we actually finally get that finished with, we'll put it in our notebook that we actually got the clay down. Again, I'm doing this all by myself, so it will be actually legit of how smart I am. And there we go. It's moving on faster. So let's put the straw in. Okay, let's get our paper. I put the clay on top of the bottle. There we go. Okay, now let's put the straw in. The straw goes in. Yep. Oh, okay. And it's messed up again. So we're gonna have to put this all down. Okay. Okay, so we got it messed up one more time. We're gonna try to do this. Huh. Yay! Okay, now we're gonna have to find a way to put the straw in. This is the hardest part. It's the straw. I do not like what this. Yeah, I do not like this experiment. It's so hard. Like, what's the point? This is so hard. Okay, let's just put it like that. Yay! Yay, got it down. Yeah, we got it down. Okay, now we're gonna get the, okay, we got it right there. So let's say that now I put, right now I put let's just say everything on the mirror. Yay, we got it done. Okay. Oh, okay, we got it down right there. And now we're gonna blow really hot. Yeah, watch this. Still at the same spot? Yep, it's right on the target. Okay.
Eden, what's on the floor?
Hold on, I'm busy.
No, what's on the floor?
Hold on. Okay, we're back. Sorry, I had to pause it, so let's just write that down. Okay, now let's do this. Watch this. Still there? Nope. Yeah, now it's good. Let's check it. Okay, it is squished a little bit. Okay, squished a little bit. So let's take this straw out. Okay, so it's nearly blocked, so we have to change it. Even though it was kind of blocked, it did affect it. So yeah, we're gonna have to clean this out.
Sorry, are you alive?
No.
Just recording?
Yeah, recording my experiment.
Oh, you missed this
Hold on.
one.
Oh, how does air pressure affect an object? Okay, got it clean. The plane somehow managed to get into it while I was blowing. So let's just put that back in. Oh, come on. The straw is the hardest part because it gets caught in the clay. I wish I had a better kit that I was issued. But this one here that actually isn't good. It just can't, you just can't do the experiment with this one. I know I could have got a better kit, but it was issued by my school, so I couldn't do anything about it. So yeah. Okay. Come on, how can I get to the target? Okay, I think we're on the target. Now let's do this. See it getting all still? So yeah. So yeah. So let's say so for 6, I started blowing. And I'll see you in the next